Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Okay, the first video was building this wood frame for the solar cooker. Now today I'm going to add the metal and some reflective and get the tube mounted. So I'm doing a voiceover on this, so let's go. Okay, I went up to Lowe's and I picked up this roll. It's aluminum, like flashing, rough flashing, whatever. Very reflective, should work fine. I want to cut a couple pieces and I'll attach them right below where the tube will be sitting. I figure metal will be good. Be super easy to clean and sturdy. Okay, I'm going to add a second piece. There'll actually be two pieces of metal. You know, I'm guessing at this thing. I can improve it later. I just want something reflective under it for now. I've seen these things on YouTube be working even with very little reflective. These tubes heat up pretty good if you got good sunlight, no clouds. Okay, I got some real short screws. I'm going to cover up that rough edge so nothing gets cut, nothing sharp. Then I got an idea how to reflect off those cradles there too. I'll show you in a sec. Okay, the frame's out of 1/2-inch plywood, so I'm using the 1/2-inch screws, self-tappers. That'll hold it down. I'm putting 6 in each sheet, each piece of metal. And when I was doing this, I could already feel the sun reflecting right up on me. So it's gonna work good. Okay, here I got some aluminum tape. I'm gonna run this around the edges, seal up any sharp edges along the metal, and any hard to get to areas too. And that stuff's real reflective as well, so that should work good. That tape was only like $3 for a whole roll. You can see right here, that'll cover up the rough edge. Sticks real well. That's another reason I painted the wood, so this would stick good. Very clean surface to work with. Here's a little closer look. You can see there. Washable, sealed, and reflective. I'm going to use quite a bit of this tape. And I'm taping between the panels, both edges, and along that little strip where the cradle is, so it'll be reflective the whole area underneath the tube.
Heck yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, really.
Had some people come over and check out, what are you doing? The answer was, I don't know. Making a solar cooker. There's a tube. It fits. Looking better. So I have some ideas how to attach it. There's the tray. Even with it just sitting there for a few minutes, you put your hand in there and you can feel warmth. I mean, just in a minute or two. Not hot, but you can feel warmth coming out of it. Pretty good. I know people have asked about the tube, where you can get it. I'm working on getting links now. It's not an easy thing to find, but I will get you links as soon as I get it from the guy that I got mine from. Okay, I got a roll of this reflective insulation. I figured this would go. Now, most of the ones you buy, like on Amazon, the solar cookers, this is what they use for reflection. Some are metal, but a lot of them are just made out of this stuff. So I figured I'd just give it a try for now, and I figured it'd be very easy to fit it on the cradle. But I can cut it, fit it, and also tape it on there with that aluminum tape. Should work. Should work good. The only area you really gotta reflect on is the dark area of the tube. The ends doesn't matter. So I'm just concentrating on the center part, and that's where all the reflection will be. And I just scribed a little with the scissors so I can see where I need to cut. Stuff's super easy to work with. And you can feel the sun reflecting off of it even on a cool day. We got good sunshine. And there's a close-up look. Looking good. All reflective. And this stuff is very soft, so I'm cutting a piece. See right there in the cradle? I'm putting a piece in there too to help protect the tube. That way the tube isn't riding on rough wood, hardwood. That'll help cushion that tube. Alright, here's a close look. Voila. Not bad, huh? That should work great. I know there's concerns how hot the tube gets. It doesn't get that hot on the outside. It does get warm on the inside. You see how padded that'll be? That way it won't be bouncing on any wood or anything like that. I gotta make it so I can travel with it. Okay, there's a look. Got both ends done. Everything's taped up. I like that. I wasn't just going to use the reflective roll, but I think the metal looks good. And you can really feel the warmth coming off that. And it's early February. Sun isn't high yet, but it's working good. I'm happy. And you can see the tube fits, and it fits a lot snugger since I put that piece in where it's riding in the cradle. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And I got a strap here, leftover strapping that I'm gonna use. And right there, it doesn't matter if you cover that up. I'm gonna strap both sides because it's just the black area there that you need for the heat. I'm going to screw on the straps. Once again, those are just 1/2-inch self-tappers. You can use anything you got. Sheetrock screws would work. That strap what came off an old tool bag I had. Okay, there's a closer look. I'll clean up, trim off the ends, all that. That's going to hold it very, very well. I'm going to do this side real quick. Once again, I'm not covering up any of the black area that you need for the heat. Just the ends. This is working out better than I thought. This is excellent, actually. Be great for traveling. It's not that heavy. I'll figure out a way to store it and whatnot. Okay, got both sides strapped. It's ready to heat up. There's a few things. I'm going to add another small piece to reflect one side. You know, there's trial and error on this thing. Okay, let's do a quick test here. I put that in. And chilly day today. Day was like 50 degrees. I added that for a little extra reflection. See what happens here. Look at that. Not even 10 minutes it's climbing. It's heating up. Not bad at all. And the claim to fame on these, the outside stays cool, a lot cooler. The inside is what heats up. Okay, it's only been 8 minutes. And it's even climbing. It's working. Okay, more videos to come. This is only the start. Hopefully in the next one I'll be cooking something. Talk soon. Take care.